Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to log out on Clubhouse. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to log out on Clubhouse. Maybe because you have another account on Clubhouse, so you want to log in with that and log out from it. Or maybe you're having some issues with your account, so you want to log out and log in so that the issues could be fixed. Or maybe you don't need your account any longer, so you just want to log out. Or there could be any other reason. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can log out on Clubhouse. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Clubhouse, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account, because if you're not logged in with your account, then you couldn't log out. So you have to keep that in mind. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Clubhouse to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. At the top left, we have the icon of the app and some other options as well, and some options at the bottom. And all over the screen, we have different rooms that you could join and listen the conversation and could be a part of it. So this would be, you could say, the home page where you could join rooms. And if you tap onto this one, you will get into explore, where you could search for people, different rooms and different houses. And with the help of this option, you could get into the houses and can join them and be a part of it. Now, if you want to log out for any of the reasons, you have to go to your profile. So this is a profile icon. Once you tap on it, it will just take a while to load and you will see your profile. So here you will see your name, profile icon, your bio and different stuff related to your account. Other than that, you will see the settings icon. Just simply click on it and you will land into settings. Once you get here, first you will read the title of settings, and there you will see all these options. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs in this app. So from all these options, just simply scroll down and just simply tap onto this option, which is logout. After that, it will ask you that are you really want to log out or not. So just simply click on yes. Here you don't have to worry that what would happen to your data, like if it will be lost, if you have joined any rooms, houses, or maybe you have created rooms or houses, what will happen to that. So don't worry, everything will be there, nothing will be lost. Once you log out and log in again, you will get back to your stuff. So here just simply click on yes so that we could get log out of our account, and after that it will just take a while and then we will get here. As you can see, now it is asking to log in. So if you want to get back to your account, just simply click on login and then you will get back to your account. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can get log out on Clubhouse. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.